Hello everyone, welcome to Link Frequency and I'm Aishwarya Pattar. This is going to be our last video on our course, that is Introduction to Autosar. The automotive industry is undergoing significant transformation with the integration of advanced technologies such as connectivity, electrification and autonomous driving. Automotive manufacturers and suppliers are collaborating to create complex systems. So, Autosar is providing a common platform and framework to facilitate this effective collaboration. Due to standardization, the Autosar is not only limited to a specific region, rather it is globally recognized standard in the automotive industry. This means that acquiring Autosar knowledge will open up doors for massive opportunities not only in the local market but also in the international automotive space. Knowing with the vast learning scope in the Autosar domain, we had come up with this course, that is Introduction to Autosar. It primarily covers about the objectives of Autosar, advantages and disadvantages of Autosar, and some information regarding the layered software architecture. Also about the CAN basics such as CAN frame formats, arbitration, error handling mechanism in CAN, fault confinement, bus off state, and so on. In this course, we have covered majority of the basics that a beginner must know to understand about the Autosar. Wherever necessary, a related example is also mentioned to comprehend. Watch the complete playlist and let us know your feedbacks and suggestions. Your suggestions will help us to improve the course structure and make it better for the new learners. So that's all for this particular video. Until we meet on our next course, happy learning. Tune yourself to make a difference.